Hello everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to automatically post 1000 tweets on the Twitter platform. First, log into the MKT Twitter software. This tool helps you manage thousands of Twitter accounts and schedule or manage multiple posts at once. Next, go to the viral marketing section and select the Twitter posting feature. Here, you'll configure your posting settings and choose the content you want to post. You can select one or multiple pieces of content. Finally, select all your Twitter accounts and click Start. The software will automatically log into each account and post all the selected tweets to the platform. In addition, the software also offers features such as commenting, posting to communities, and boosting your posts to the top of Twitter search results. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the next videos. If you want to purchase the software, feel free to message me via WhatsApp or Telegram so I can assist and guide you.